It means a lot to be out here. Not a lot of people get the chance to come out here and race such an amazing event. We started off the season with a pretty good finish, second place at DP4, but the last two races we've had 2 DNFs, so we made some adjustments to the shock. We added a heat shield to keep the temperature down so we could run harder for longer.
This is going to be my second desert race. I did a first one with Robbie Gordon, UTV Worlds. I navigated for him, did the whole thing, really enjoyed it. Me and Holden go back a long time. We've been racing short course in the Lucas Oil Off-Road Racing Series forever. Then we did 1 year of gas, and I decided to go desert racing, so we're going to be in a team kind of together. We're doing lap 3, bring the car back, just get a good solid finish. Min 400, I've always looked up to it. It's a great race to be at. It's just 400 miles of just a nice steady pace.
Doing the first 3 laps, and then Bronsen Chiaramonte is getting in for lap 3, and then I'll get back in for the finish of lap 4.
Ran a very clean race, just being consistent with it. I had one minor issue, I think we had a flat tire, but they got that resolved and we're back on the road. We're coming up on mile 96, I think, so we should pull in any minute. We'll be hopping in. I'll do lap 3 and then come back in for lap 4 and Holden will take it back over. Like every race, you know, you get that adrenaline rush and you're just going out to have fun, really. Just bring the car back in one piece and have fun.
Okay. No form.
It's really rough out there, a lot of silt, a lot of rocks. We had one flat and we've been having a couple issues with 4-wheel drive, but other than that we had a pretty good run. Bronsen's job is to just take it around the track, hopefully no problems, and bring it to me so I can go out 4th lap.
Track was rough towards the end. Rocks starting to show up out of random. Whoops were getting bigger. There was cars out there that just we couldn't get around in places. Last 5 miles or so we had a 4-wheel drive again, so that was good.
It felt so good to finally get a good finish for the XTravel team. Shane, he was really calm, cool, and collected. He got me a good car to go back out on a 4th lap. The Min 400 is one of the longest, roughest races in America, and to finish it, it means the world to me.
The car ran great, the track was fun, had an awesome time, looking forward to next year.